Hello students, Professor Krueger here. Welcome to a new semester. I'm really excited for all the new incoming students. Big shout out to everyone at Bryant and Stratton College. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I wanted to make this video as an intro for all the new students to give you sort of a heads up on what to expect this semester. Some very important things that we have to take care of in the first class is, this is Luna. You guys are going to become very familiar with Luna. Say hi, Luna. Oh, she's messing that up. So that's Luna. You guys will see her in the videos. I'm going to be posting some of the lectures to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Scott Krueger. So I'm very happy with everything that happened last semester. I was able to post videos for the test reviews. So those test review videos are still in my channel. So I want you guys to become familiar with the channel. When you look at the top of my channel, there's some tabs up there. There's a playlist tab. Go to that playlist tab and then you'll be able to see I'm going to put all of the medical, surgical, nursing videos into that playlist. So from last semester, I have about 5 or 6 videos that all had to do with, like I said, the test reviews. But this semester, I'm going to add lecture videos. So those lecture videos will probably be anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes. The test review videos are a bit longer, but we can worry about that later because the test, our first test is still about a month off. But what to expect the first class, I got my Wednesday class tomorrow, Thursday class, Friday test. Luna, stop! She's curious about the camera. So we got a lot of things to take care of. We need to go through the syllabus. I need you guys to go to the back of your syllabus. You can find it under the Welcome Here tab on Blackboard. So I want you guys to go to that Welcome tab, look up the syllabus. You can maybe print off, there's a few pages at the end, a couple appendices. There's some at the end that I'm gonna need you to sign while we're going through the syllabus in person. But just a little heads up there, under the Welcome Here tab is our syllabus. I'll be posting the student handbook. And then I'm gonna post this video within the next couple minutes. So I hope that you guys are able to find this. So what to expect the first class, syllabus, we're gonna sign some papers. I'm gonna go through the YouTube channel with you to show you how to access that and get the most out of that. So that's very important. One of the other things that we definitely need to focus on early on is our math test. And we have a mandatory math test that we have to do. It's just some basic dosage calculations. Don't get too worried. It won't be that bad. But I did post a video, and I'll post it under our content tab. A lot of the videos that I'm gonna post to you guys, you can go to my YouTube channel, find them on there through the playlists. It's under the Medical Surgical Nursing series, but then I'm also gonna post the videos under our content tab under Blackboard. So make sure that you're watching the announcements, make sure you're looking under the content. I want you guys looking at that syllabus, the student handbook, so that you can come to the first class, ask all the questions that you need to, so we can get you off to a very good start. I'm really looking forward to this semester. It's my second semester, and I'm just gonna keep adding layers to it so that you guys can get the most out of your education. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. 안녕하세요.